Hi everyone, so I purchased some of the Sally Hansen Good Kind Pure Polishes to try from Target. So we're going to do some nail art with these and then I will give you my thoughts at the end of the video. So first I'm going to be using the base coat. Okay, first I'm going to use Rose Petal on all of my nails. I don't seem to have gotten enough on my brush. Sorry about that. There we go. So now I am adding the second coat. For the next part, I'm going to use a dotting tool. And I'll be using golden quartz. I don't love cleanup, so I put a little piece of tape on a little square of paper towel, and then I can just wad it up and throw it away. Okay, so I'm going to do the Dotacure. Or polka dots, I should say. There, that looks pretty cute. Now I'll attempt it on my other finger. So what I'm doing is I'm placing one dot in the middle. My fingernails are really, really short. So then I'm just going, I don't want too many dots on here. So I'm just going 3 down the center and then over quite a bit, almost to the edge. And then kind of not worrying about if the pattern goes off my nail or not because I don't have that much nail. And I did put like a couple right here, going off a little bit, but I could have left that off as well. So I think that looks pretty cute. I'll just wait for that to dry and then we'll come back and we'll do the top coat. Okay, now that they're dry, I will put on the top coat. And I'm just going to finish that up and wait for it to dry. Okay, so here's the finished Dot Mani. I'm going to start out with the base coat. I'll be using Peony Origins and Rose Petal. I'm going to add Peony Origins to my pointer finger, my thumb, and my pinky. And this is pretty much a one coater. I'm going to use Rose Petal on my middle finger and my ring finger. I am going to add one more coat of each color. Alright, so I waited for the polish to be completely dry because the top coat is not a quick dry top coat. So now I'm just going to place some striping tape down. I think I want this one up here more. Okay, there we go. Okay, now I'm just going to go over the top with Peony Origins. Okay. I'll do that to my ring finger, but I'm going to do that off camera, and then I'll come back when it's dry. Now that this is completely dry, I will go ahead in with the top coat. And I will come back when this is dry. Okay, so here is this finished design. Base coat. For this one, I'll be using Laven-Dear and white tea. I'll be putting Laven-Dear on my pointer finger, my pinky, and my thumb. And white tea on my middle finger and my ring finger. Now, white tea is a sheer white. And in the videos I saw, the swatches of it, it built up in 3 coats. I'm going to add a second coat of each color. Okay, I'm going to put a third coat on. Okay, so now I'm going to put on some striping tape to make some stripes. And now I'm just going to go over the top with Laven-Dear. Oh, they're stuck together. Hold on. There we go. Now I'm going to add the top coat. And I'll come back when that's dry. Okay, so here is my finished striped mani. Here's my review on the collection. I love the fact that these are plant-based. Even the brushes are plant-based. They're 16 free of harmful chemicals found in some nail polishes. I purchased mine at Target for $6.79 a bottle. They have a wide variety of colors. And I did find that most of the colors applied very well. With the exception of white tea, that one I found kind of streaky and hard to make even on all 10 of my nails and look even. I am going to link a swatch video of all of the colors in the description box below, and also 2 other swatch and review videos for you to watch in case you're interested. Now on to the base coat hardener. I did really like the base coat hardener. It did a very good job at making my nails hard. I just think that the base coat didn't really smooth out the minor imperfections in my nails. That's the only thing that was bad about that base coat, which really wasn't bad because the application of the polish went on so well that it pretty much smoothed out everything. So that was pretty amazing. And I do love how it looked after I applied the nail polish. Now we'll take a look at wearability. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I have had this on for 4 days. I put it on Saturday morning. And the next day I did have a small chip in one of my fingers. However, that was user error because I didn't wrap the tip well. That nail is like a little bit short. However, I just put another coat of nail polish on and another top coat and everything was good to go. I've been washing dishes, doing laundry, putting my nail oil on, my hand lotions, everything is great. The only thing that I have a comment about is the top coat. When you apply this, you have to make sure every single layer is completely dry because the top coat is not a fast drying top coat. With that being said, when I woke up Sunday morning, I had linen lines on my nail polish. It's just like a slight texture of like the linen sheets. So I thought that was weird. I did put another coat of top coat, smoothed it all out. It was shiny, everything like that. And when I woke up again Monday morning, I had some more linen lines. So I don't know what is up with that. But that's like the only issue I had. Otherwise, I really love this nail polish. That wraps up this video. I hope you enjoyed the nail art and the review. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not one of my subscribers, please subscribe. I'd love to read your comments on what you think of the video and what you think of the nail polish, if you're going to try it or not. And thank you for watching. Bye for now.